What's up, YouTube? And today we have our terror watch list. These yahoos. Take a good look at them because they're missing in action. So this is the crew of STS-107, Columbia disaster, 2003. If you guys remember, looks something like this. Upon re-entry, February 1st, 2003. So we're almost at the 15-year anniversary. We should have a candlelight visual. So yeah, these yahoos right here. And if you remember correctly, the foam broke off and hit the wing of the aircraft when it was taking off. And then 15 days later, when they came back down, is when they burnt up in the atmosphere because of a piece of foam. This was all that was left of the wreckage. You know, just some passports. Looks eerily familiar. Now, just so we are on the same page, we don't know what this is. Probably is it could have been the Columbia. But, you know, 2003, we know that we've had remote control planes for a long time. So they could have, you know, flown this thing up there, had, you know, and bedazzled in explosives, and that's what happened with no one on board. So let's look at these people, because you know, what university are they at right now? You know, it's like, so here's the Columbia, and this was on takeoff, and this little piece here broke off, hit the wing. We actually have video. Yeah. A piece of foam, and that created catastrophic failure of the aircraft. You know, 15 days after flying in space. So, let's take a good look at these people. We got Rick Husband in his wetsuit. William Cool. David Brown's on the terror watch list. Capana. Looks familiar. She's probably in MIT, Boston somewhere. Mr. Anderson. Laurel Clark out of uniform. And we have one left. Ramon, the first Israeli astronaut ever. The first Israeli in space, and he is immortalized as a god now. That's cute. So yeah, 2003, I was a little preoccupied with the whole, you know, Iraq thing, so I wasn't really paying attention. I do vaguely remember something being wrong with the wing, and I was like, that just sounds strange. But this video here, it shows the crash site. Oh, what's very strange about this mission, guys, the Columbia disaster, STS-107, is because they have footage. Look, this isn't it, but it's in here. Footage of the actual crash. Like they have like, it's interesting because it's like a horror movie. I'll explain myself in a second better. Yeah, this is the this is real footage, not that part, but of the re-entry to like sell it better, you know what I mean? And all they did was like, that's not the actual footage, but it's in here on YouTube. And like it's just like flashing out the windows, like to simulate like, you know, fire, you know, outside. It's just really done. I think it's sloppy. Like look at this crash site. I'll show you. I just think that this was sloppy. I mean, a piece of foam taking down a aircraft. Look at this thing. Tell me that doesn't look like Pennsylvania. Where is all the pieces? Like this just looks like burnt grass. They just came here on some dead grass, you know, a little kerosene, burnt this up. Was like, yeah, plane. Yeah, we landed here, I promise you. I don't know. It's strange. You know, I go from on this side, which is Apollo and early NASA, to NASA current ISS fakery, and kind of, you know, jumped from side to side and not really concentrated on the space shuttle program. And I just feel like this STS-107 was sloppy. And we'll go out with this. I just found this today. This was their breakfast the day of their launching. So like the last time they were ever on Earth, supposedly, allegedly.
We have our 7 astronauts seated at breakfast.
How strange they are.
Ramon is there. He's the representative from the Israel Space Agency, first-time flyer, as well as David Brown. William McCool, who will be our pilot on this mission, and our commander for this flight is Rick Husband. Laurel Clark, one of the 2 females on this mission, Mike Anderson, and of course Kopna Chawla, rounding out the 7-member crew. This again was taken at about 6 o'clock this morning Eastern Time at the crew quarters. Astronauts have been awakened at different times. They're on 2 separate shifts on this mission to cover the 24 hours that we'll be doing scientific research.
Very strange and odd, and just, you know, it tells us wonders. But anyway, just wanted to show these faces of our terror watch list. They're out there somewhere. Be careful. They're probably armed and dangerous. Anyway, guys, good luck. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.